Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these exercise towels. And now, these are the towels right here, and I wanted to give a big shout out to this company for sending me these towels in exchange for this video. So let's just jump right in. I'm excited to talk to you today about some of their features. First off, you'll notice that the towels are really nice and soft. I like that a lot about these towels. They have just a soft to the touch feel to them. And also you can see they kind of have almost a waffle style design. It is not very kind of imprinted. It is kind of more of just a little bit of a texture to the towel, but I really like it a lot. It does have a good feel to it. Now, one thing that's great about these towels is they actually are finished around the edges here. You can see they are stitched and have a nice finish around the edge of the entire towel, and the entire towel itself is actually really pretty big, and I like that a lot about these towels. I think they're really nice and high quality, and they give you a good amount of area to go ahead and use. Now, one thing that's great about these towels is they are super absorbent. Also, they absorb kind of liquid, moisture, water, anything really easy, and I like that a lot about the towels. But one thing I really was pleased to find out is that they are machine washable. You can just go ahead and throw them in the washer and dryer really easily after you're done using them and keep them nice and clean, and that just makes the whole process of keeping these towels much easier, and for that reason I would highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.